He's been breaking for 10 years straight, so you know he's here to stay.
Salute, my friends.
The energy's a thriller, and the cards are always killer. Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
Okay, so this is break 3. We've done okay on autos. What have we gotten? 5, I think, so far. So let's keep that going. But I'm still looking for my first Dominguez auto out of Megas. And Braden Shoemake. Alright, that's fine. That's fine. At least we got the auto early, so I don't have to sweat that. Okay, all right. CJ Abrams, Cabello. Thank you very much. Victor Mesa. It's like a bonus card there. Dylan Cease and Christian Javier. Abraham Toro. All right, big auto. Come on. Oh, we got the Yankees. Wah. Jake Sanford, Yankees auto. Okay. All right, so all the autos from here on out are gravy. I don't know, bro. I mean, Sapphire's gonna do a couple things. One, it'll go live after they have about an hour's worth for the 2020 Project 2020. You know, and that usually lands around noon. Not always, but usually about noon. Aaron Ashby. So I would say it's gonna be, you know, probably the same time as today, 2 p.m. ish would be my guess. Nolan Gorman. Who do I have in this one? I've got the Orioles. Mauricio, Riley Green. Apostle. Another auto. Not a Yankee. Glenn Allen Hill. So we've got 3 autos already. We're only about halfway through. Abraham Toro. Blood pressure spikes, huh? Yeah. I did get some. Varland, I did only get 2 per membership though, so I didn't take the chance and get extras. Adley, Poisson. Alec Baum. Xavier Edwards. Sam Huff, Riley Green. Looks like bonus color. Well, just one anyway. Gavin Lux Purple. It's pretty nice. Gavin Lux Rookie Purple. There's your Dominguez, so you'll have a Bobby Witt in here too. Bobby Witt and Jason Dominguez. Kellenic, Matt Manning, and another Bobby Witt. So maybe another Dominguez. See how Bobby Witt was in there as the last card? So Dominguez could be not the last card in this pack, but the second to... Nope, I lied. It's the last card. And it's because of this pink. This pink pushed it back. So AJ Puck, and you got 2 Dominguez in here. So that's a pretty good Yankees spot right there. Who has the Yankees in this one? All I know is it's not me. And it is Stingray. Congrats, Stingray. Nice card. Yamamoto. Got a purple Davy Garcia for the Yankees. 2 packs left. Cody Hose. Jaron Duran. Jordan Alvarez. Julio Rodriguez. Some nice names in there, but... all right, guys. So we got 2 Dominguez in this one. 2 Dominguez in this one and 3 autos. So Dominguez, nice card. AJ Puck, Bobby Witt, Matt Manning, and Dominguez, Bobby Witt, Gavin Lux, Poisson, Glenn Allen Hill, Ashby, Jake Sanford, and Braden Shoemake. I'm going to put the Braden Shoemake in there. That's what I'm going with. That right there. What do you think? Make a good photo? I think it does. I think it does. I'm going to go with it. All right, guys. Saving your video and going straight to break 4.
Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications. If you enjoyed what you watched, smash the like button. And if you're looking for a great group break, remember,
He's been breaking for 10 years straight. Who knows what he'll pull today? Cheap fun breaks is the big league way.
this has been a production of CFB TV.